Welcome back to MJ Crypto. It is very important that you understand that technical analysis actually begins with support and resistance. As a matter of fact, without these two key elements, there would be no technical analysis. So right in this video, I'm going to show you a brief demonstration about how technical analysis works. So right in this image, you can see clearly there are two zones. Okay, we have the resistance and the support. Now the resistance is depicted by the red zone and the support is depicted by the blue zone beneath. All right, now what is a resistance and what is a support? That is the very first thing that should strike your mind. A resistance is simply a zone of what? Restraint. In other words, is a period or a particular zone whereby price cannot move across. Okay, price of the asset cannot go beyond that zone. In other words, we say that there's what? A resistance there. And this is most particular about the sellers. All right, you find the sellers most likely at the what? Resistance zone. In other words, they are trying to push the price down, okay, to make profit. And now the support is the opposite of the resistance. All right, the support is the particular zone. Mind you, it's not a line. If anyone tells you draw your resistance line or draw your support line, no, it doesn't work that way. Resistance and support, they are not lines. All right, they are zones, imaginary zones, and it must not be perfect when you are drawing it. All right, good. Now the support is actually what? The zone that prevents the price from going down. All right, and you usually find the buyers most active in this particular zone. Now I'm going to tell you guys something. In the crypto space, right, everybody is a buyer, but not everybody is a seller. I want you to reminisce on what I just said. I just told you a quick hack. Everybody is a buyer, but not everybody is a seller. In other words, the sellers you are seeing at the resistance zone right here were actually buyers at a particular time. So you as a buyer, why should you be buying at the resistance zone? You shouldn't be buying when the price is high. You should be buying when the price is what? Low. Hitting the what? Support zone. That is where you find the buyers. Now, there's a big mistake a lot of you make, especially the newbies, which is actually the FOMO, fear of missing out. You hear a project has launched, the price is pumping so hard, you do not even understand how technical analysis works. You just step into the market and purchase the coin at the very peak. I have a lot of persons who are complaining to me that they bought BTC when the price was $58, $58,000. Some even bought at the all-time high. How do you do that? It's very wrong. Buy when the price is actually low and sell when the price is high. All right, basically that is how to trade crypto. That, in fact, the entire financial market, not just crypto, forex, indices, everything. Buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. Don't think that, oh, the trend has started, let me jump in. Sometimes you may be lucky to actually catch a trend when it's actually moving, but you may not be so lucky if you do not understand technical analysis and price retracements. Okay, very soon we'll be talking about that, but this video is simply centered on the resistance and support zones. If you actually want to draw your support and resistance right with your mobile device, it's actually very simple, but it's most preferable when you are using your laptop. All right, so this is how to draw your support and resistance. I'm going to show you right now. You just click here and select trend line. All right, now we'll be moving the trend line across two pivotal points or zones. All right, good. So you can see right here, let's say this is the resistance. Let's say here is the resistance. I want it to touch as many areas as possible. All right, this is actually one resistance right here. Let me make this quite longer. All right, so you can see this is actually a resistance zone. Ensure it is touching the body, or rather the wick of the candles. All right, It can touch the wick, it can touch the candle, it doesn't really matter. But let it just touch every pivotal zones. I'm talking about this point here, all right? So basically this is how to draw your resistance. So now when you are trading, it is assumed that if the price breaks across this particular zone, let me shift it right here so you can see what I'm saying. It's assumed that if the price breaks across this particular zone where this line is drawn, we've entered a breakout. All right, we've entered a breakout. This is RUN USDT pair. All right, the line is not so perfect because I'm using my mobile device. All right, but just get the gist. All right, just get information on how to actually draw your trend lines. I'm talking about your support and resistance. Now you can actually do the same thing for your support. What we are doing right now is the resistance. All right, what we are doing right now is actually the resistance. Okay, basically. So guys, let's draw the support. Let's draw the support line. Let's see. Okay, I've seen a support zone here. Let's draw the support. Let's draw the support. Let's start it from somewhere here. Good. This is actually a support. Good. This is actually a support. Now, when we are taking a short or a long position, ensure that we're actually entering with a breakout. A breakout is when the price or the candlestick breaks across either the support or the resistance. If it breaks above the resistance, you can wait for a retracement, that's a retest on the resistance line. Okay, then you take a long position. But if it doesn't work that way and price goes down to the support and breaks the support downwards, you can short the market. All right, that's a confirmation. Always wait for a confirmation before entering a trade. All right, so basically this is how to draw your support and resistance. All right, very simple. So guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. We'll be talking about candlesticks and basically what each candlestick stands for. All right, it's very, very simple. You don't have to see it as rocket science. Technical analysis is very interesting. All right, so cheers guys, I love you all. Peace out.